Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing power and network so the update won't interrupt. Once plugged in and on a stable Wi-Fi, open Settings and go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. You choose Check for updates to see available packages. This initiates download. Make sure automatic updates are on if you want background installs. If a restart is required later, plan to save work now. This avoids failed installs and preserves your files during system changes. Once updates appear, you click Check for updates and confirm which items to install. Optional drivers can be deferred. Allow the download to complete. You can pause and resume if bandwidth is limited. Make sure to install major feature updates first, then quality and driver updates to reduce conflicts. If prompted, accept license terms and follow on-screen prompts. You'll see progress percentages and estimated time. Remain connected and avoid shutting down mid-install to prevent corruption. You finish by restarting when prompted so Windows can apply changes. Let the system configure without interruption. Once back, check Settings, right arrow Windows Update, right arrow View Update History to confirm successful installs and note any failed entries. If something failed, make sure you have enough disk space and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It diagnoses service and component issues automatically. If issues persist, uninstall the failed update or use System Restore. This sequence ensures a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.